All right, so day two, we're back to Temis Motorsports. Yesterday, we were by and we showcased the exhaust, and it sounds freaking amazing. Yesterday and today, I went ahead and took off the inner trailer, as you can see here, and we're gonna put it onto the Nissan Z. So we're gonna pull up and see what kind of progress they've made on the Nissan Z. Here is the engine out of the Z officially. Literally from one day to another, they dropped the motor. Oh my God, I didn't even know the Z1 turbos are on there. Yo sé. Here's the baby turbo, the OEM turbo. I don't know if it looks smaller than the Q50 and Q60 turbo. It's weird. But as you can see, it's paired up to the Pride Auto full down pipes. And these are the electronic diverter valves that come onto the housing now, which we are not gonna be running. We're gonna delete it. So all we have to do is just shut the code off and I think we'll be Gucci. And here is the 9-speed up close and personal. As you can see, this is a magnesium casing, so it's lighter and stronger than the aluminum. I am so excited for these guys. I don't really want to push it entirely, but
stop the cap.
I don't know, I might be tempted to.
Bitch, you guessed it.
Trying to see where if we run. I guess we could run those coolant lines through here, inside here, run it back. Might have to drill a hole somewhere in here. We're gonna be putting a Mishimoto reservoir tank inside the trunk. I think it's a 2.5 gallon. Brand new car, bro, just turbos. If you can tighten, see if that's tightened. I did it as best as I could with the engine in place, the fuel line. Yeah, because I don't want that shit coming off and spraying fuel everywhere. So.
Yeah, I was thinking down, I saw the down pipe from the work.
Yeah.
Working at it from
yeah.
I was taking pictures of this too, the shield all loose.
Yeah, that's the only thing I left loose was the shield on here. It was so hard to put that shit back, bro. This shit, it has less space than the Q50, and I was just there with a little ratchet, and just, you know what? I'm gonna take the turbos down anyway, so I'm gonna just let them sit.
They maxed out the space. I'm like, oh,
yeah, dude.
Q, I don't even think I have space on this.
You can see I was fighting, bro, right there. Like I was just, nothing fit, dude, nothing. I had the most low profile tools that you can buy and just a pain in the butt. Making good progress though.
Everything seemed to be going great until I asked this very one question.
So with the turbos, you have to do, I guess, something with the wastegate or something?
Yeah, actually it's not fitting right here for this one at least. On the Q it fit perfect, but for here it's not. There's like a metal sleeve on it, so it's not sitting correctly. So Temmy's trying to figure that out. And then on here it says, I'm not sure. Yeah, the motor mount. We just gotta take a little bit off the motor mount, and then we changed the motor mount bolt, this one and the top one.
At this moment, my mood completely changed, and I started to feel a little discouraged.
Is the wastegate any different than a Q50, or?
Yeah, the whole body's different. So this is the sleeve on it. So that should be like this. So when it fits on, this one here. So that's what he was trying to see, maybe get a Q or something, and if you go in here, you see how it's sitting like a gap. One side's closed, and so it's weird. But the whole body of it is shorter. This is a little bit bigger, and then this is shorter, so it's weird. But the connections are the same.
I mean, I think if we put a Q50 one, it's gonna be too long. It's gonna hit the compressor line here, no? Well, there you go, guys. The Q50 ones aren't 100% bolt-on with the Z, so it's gonna take some modifications. Yeah. So
I think I got a few in there, so we're gonna have to
put the Q50 one.
Yeah.
You don't think it's gonna hit the compressor line? Or we could just bend the compressor line or something?
Are they bigger?
Just from here, but I think right here is good enough.
Bring one. Bring a turbo. I mean, I don't know if you know, but everything hits on these turbos.
What do you mean?
know,
Like the motor mount?
motor mount, all that
Yeah.
shit. You gotta like. Thanks God, it's not a lot. You know, you just, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
Same thing here. We have to bend this line
Down.
a little bit down.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ven pa' acá. You see right there? Right there? You gotta,
Yeah, I see it.
ahí. Exactamente ahí. We gotta, it's just a little
Just
bit,
a
but we
little
gotta
bit,
shave it. Right?
Just the driver's side.
Driver's side, you gotta shave off a little bit.
Okay.
But there's nothing,
Yeah, that's fine.
You gotta be the same size, man.
It'll be fine. Okay, then whatever.
Yeah, because the problem with this is that the first thing, it doesn't fit in the hole.
Yeah.
Then if I try to open up the hole, then it's gonna be a pain in the ass for me to do the adjustment.
Yeah.
Because the adjustment goes
Yeah.
with this on. So,
Yeah, if the
what we
Q50 one works, then
no, I mean, it's the same.
That- yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it should be a problem.
Okay. Perfect. Right there's the inner chiller. I know some things you're not gonna use. I brought you some nylon braided hoses, and if we don't have enough, then I guess we just use the regular hose and just insulate it in foam. I have the switch, the valve. Well, I didn't bring the switch. I brought the wiring for the switch and then la válvula.
Recommendation. Or I don't know if you already did it, because I keep on forgetting with everybody's spark plugs.
I have them.
You have them?
I just didn't bring them.
I know.
And I bought some.
With these turbos,
I bought a step colder. I bought some NGKs. So.
What about the one that we've been using, the BMW one?
Nah,
You know?
that thing's a pain in the butt, man. And it's the same heat range. I looked it up. It's the same heat. It's no point.
Okay.
But I bought some nice ones, some really nice ones. So I'll replace them.
Oh,
and
what's up, man?
I'll try to bring it before everything goes back. So
Okay.
expectations for having it back together. That way I know. When do you think this motor will be ready to go back up?
That's what we were trying. That's literally what we were just talking about.
Yeah.
That's what we were trying to say.
So if the so let's say the wastegate fits.
Yeah, with
the-
everything.
After that, how long do you think it'll probably be?
Yeah, like a day or two. It is, a little bit of shape. You have to make sure everything fits. Try anything, take it off. On and on.
Okay. I might as well bring the injectors too.
Honestly, yeah. And all of it, like the last one I did all that at once. I had the whole panel, everything off on the top, just doing everything back on. That was it.
Yeah, I'll just bring the injectors too, bro. Do you guys have a machine to service them, to clean them or no?
Clean them. We have the ultrasonic cleaner.
Okay. I'll do that then.
What I like about this is nothing fault. Brand new, nothing fault.
Yeah, it's easy, bro.
Nothing.
No rust, no.
Yeah, exactly. Everything's cool.
That's the good thing about working on brand new cars. You can see they're making extremely good progress on the Nissan Z. We got the chiller off. We're hoping that the Nissan Z will be running on Saturday. That would give me maybe one weekend to really test the car at the track and tune it there. I'll be doing some street tunes here and there, but I won't really have that much seat time, which is gonna suck, being that I'm gonna be a virgin out there with a brand new setup at the competition. So the odds are not in my favor to be winning. Either way, I really don't care. I'm gonna be doing it for fun and to showcase what the Nissan Z can really do. So what I have to do now is bring them the new spark plugs that I purchased, some NGKs, which are one step colder. They are direct drop-ins. Bring the Dishwork injectors that I'm going to be putting onto the Nissan Z. So as you can see, a lot of moving parts, very little time. We're racing against the clock. I hope you're locked in because this is going to be a really good series. Peace, Illis.